Old RAM chips from computer. How to recover gold. In this video, we'll show you how to recover gold from old RAM chips. RAM, random access memory, chips contain a lot of valuable gold that can be extracted using the right techniques. If you're looking to recover gold from old RAM chips, then this video is for you. We'll show you how to open the package of RAM chips and extract the gold wired inside. If you have old RAM chips that you're looking to retrieve their gold content, then watch this video, and this video will show you how to recover gold from old RAM chips. Remove the chips from the computer. You can do this by carefully hot air gun the chips from the circuit board. You may use a hammer or a machine to separate the chips from the circuit board as appropriate, or if anyone has a good method, please suggest me and my friends. I made this sample video to demonstrate. You just need to expand the process as appropriate for the size of the task. All steps are the same. The procedure is not complicated. Bring the ice chips to boil with 98% sulfuric acid, temperature 90 Celsius. From my experiment, the sulfuric acid ratio is 3 times that of ice chips. It's important to note that recovering gold from computer RAM chips is a hazardous process that should be done with proper safety precautions and in a well-ventilated area. It's also important to dispose of any chemicals or materials used in the process in an environmentally responsible manner. The amount of gold in each type of computer RAM chip varies, but in general, the gold content is very small. The gold is used as a conductor in the RAM chips and is present in trace amounts, typically measured in grams or fractions of a gram. For example, older generations of computer RAM, in my experience, only 1 kilo of RAM chips, excluding the circuit board, can get about 1.2 to 3 grams of gold. Due to the small amount of gold in each RAM chip, it's not economically feasible to recover the gold from a single chip or a small number of chips. To make the process economically viable, large quantities of RAM chips would need to be processed, which would also require specialized equipment and expertise. IC chips' older RAM computers often have copper legs protruding from the package. Removes copper and various metals. Using the ratio nitric acid mixed with water 1:3. There are several different types of RAM chips, including DDR2, DDR3, DDR4. These are generations of DDR SRAM that provide increased performance and higher data transfer rates. RAM chips are commonly found in desktop computers, laptops, servers, and other computer systems. They are used to store the data and programs that are actively in use, allowing the computer to access them quickly and efficiently. Achieving a purity of more than 99% can be achieved by using aqua regia. Works best. And can also bring the process to the era to use various low-percentage gold refinements. Aqua regia is a mixture of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid at a ratio of either 3:1 or 4:1. It is a reddish-orange or yellowish-orange fuming liquid. It's important to note that this process can be dangerous, as both nitric acid and hydrochloric acid are highly corrosive and can cause serious injury if they come into contact with skin or eyes. Therefore, it's important to take proper safety precautions, such as wearing gloves and goggles, when working with these chemicals. Use metabisulfite. I managed to get the gold settle as sediment at the bottom of the aqua regia solution. I slowly poured the sodium metabisulfite in until reaching saturation level, or until the sodium metabisulfite stopped dissolving. At this point, the brown sediment of gold could be seen. I let the solution settle for 30 to 60 minutes. I slowly poured out the chemical solution, ensuring the sediment remained. Clean the gold mud with clean hot water and dry the gold mud. I used a heat gun for this step. Easy. Sprinkle a small amount of borax into it. This will help to purify the gold as it melts. Melt the gold. Use the torch to heat the gold until it melts. This may take several minutes, depending on the amount of gold you are melting. It's important to use caution when melting gold, as the process involves working with high temperatures and open flames. Make sure you have all the necessary safety equipment and follow proper safety procedures to avoid accidents. Wish you luck, wealthy. Hope you like our video. Please press share the video or leave a comment under the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.